When science and life connect essentially, they weave a story of curiosity, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. This is the story of Resil and our planet. At Resil, we believe that the planet is ours to protect by realizing the power of science with responsibility. This responsibility comes to light as soon as you enter the gates of our facility. With a passion for sustainable change, our endeavor begins right here. Observing the harmonious interplay between reason and experience, we leverage empirical knowledge for transformative creation. In our labs, we combine knowledge and real-world solutions to make the world a better place. And that, to us, is science for change. Our technology bridges science and nature, allowing the team to discover new ways to create eco-friendly chemicals and materials. We are fascinated by the limitless possibilities that arise when natural materials are combined to create transformative change. Working relentlessly with the planet and its people in mind, we recreate products for earth friendliness. From transforming agriculture to revolutionizing construction to enhancing personal care, we embrace tomorrow's technology to unleash unparalleled performance. And the result of this conscious science? Our products, with each gentle touch, reveal the equilibrium between comfort and sustainability, offering a true symbiosis of well-being and eco-consciousness. Our mission is to responsibly deliver science for a better world.